What's going on? Today we're unboxing the iRobot Roomba White. And yes, this is a white and the Amazon worker was so mad when he built this for me. Packaged it because he was like, "What? I hate my job." But so yeah, let's just get into it. There it is. We did it, guys. I hope you guys are doing good today because we're gonna do the best. Alright, so we're gonna need something, but yeah, bye guys. Okay, I'm kidding. Hold up. Alright, I'm back. I needed scissors. Wait a minute. Oh, over here, that's a good spot. Sick. Oh, what's it have? Barrier. Oh, I see the Roomba. Where's the charging dock? Under. The charging dock is foldable? Wow, I didn't know. It's supposed to run the batteries, but I didn't think it did. Yeah, it doesn't. Oh, that's hard. Ooh, you can kind of see it. Okay. Look. Yeah. There it is. I'm trying to get this thing out. How about finally. No one needs this. Trash. Look. Oh, nice shot. So here it is. See the bottom. Let's see the dustbin. Okay. Yes, this was used. That's why it came in a Dorito box because I bought this on Amazon for $3, I think. Cause like $3.99, so it's $4. I can't show you it because I'm not gonna share my screen, but because I'm already on a video, I can't share my screen. Here. So here's it. Here's the bottom. There's a mess. It looks like it should clean. Here's the dock. Here's the barrier. There's supposed to be two. There's supposed to be two barriers, and there's no two barriers. So yeah, we're gonna test that. We're gonna test that right now. Alright, here we go. Put it on its dock, and this dock is wireless. So this iRobot Roomba is pretty good. It's charging. You can't really see the light there. Can't really see the light on it, but the light is on. Hold up, sorry about. And guys, it is November 1st. If you guys make a video November 1st, let me know. Just comment down below if you made a video on November 1st because that's what day it is. And it's officially nighttime. You can't really see the light, but yeah. This is really hard. There you go. So let's test it. And yes, this. I had another one of these in my other video where I was pushing them down, and the one where I pushed it downstairs. But that one broke, and I have to get another one. Because when I did the staircase thing, the bumper broke, so I had to return this, and the Amazon workers had to fix it. So the bumper was broken, the tag ripped off here, and I don't know why they put numbers. They put numbers inside. Bro, can't really see what they put. 026. And the dustbin, it says 920. Like, why is it on this? Like, this is for childs. Like kids or something. Well, it's not technically for kids, but it's just a robot vacuum that is not made for kids. Technically, it kind of is because I got one and I'm a kid. I'm 7, but I will. I'm excited. It's November 1. 2 more months. 2 more months until my birthday. Alright, sorry. Let's just get back. Let's turn it on. Is this the power switch? I guess it's not. I guess it's spot clean. I guess it's spot clean. I knew it. I knew it was gonna fall. Plus sensors. Whoopsies. Sorry guys. That was an accident. Hold up. Ah! Everything keeps falling. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god, everything keeps falling. Alright, done. Everything keeps doing that, what the camera just did. Alright, let's test it. Take 2. Actually, it's take 3. It saved itself. It was like, alright, it was like this. How did it save itself? Alright, whatever. Let's just test the barriers. Okay, one there. Nose has click sensors. So. Wait, you guys want to see it return to its dock? In case it doesn't return to its dock, it has a special thing. Right, barrier.